Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to make the inventory management system for vehicle petrol shop. Here, consider this formula, 1000 milliliter equal into 1 liter. Okay, this formula is very much when you are calculating this kind of scenario project, right? So here, if you are notice that there will be the three items are available in your petrol shop: petrol, diesel and kerosene oil, right? So the person who coming to your shop and ask to put your vehicle, car or van, something like that, they ask to put the petrol 5 liter. So select, you will be able to select the liter 5 and click OK. The 1 liter price will be 300. So it will be 300 into 5 means 5 liter. So the total should be displayed as 1500. Okay, 300 into 5. This is the total will be displayed. Okay, this is a simple project. Okay, so if I reset it again, so the person who come to your shop and buy these two, by liter 500 milliliter petrol, kerosene oil also 750 milliliter buy. So now you will be able to see here what is the amount will be seen. Okay. This one should be the 1 liter price will be 300. So we have bought on 500 milliliters. So this one should be the 500 milliliter should be this the price. Okay. So this kerosene oil also this is the 1 liter price. 750 price should be this. Okay. This is a simple way we have to calculate the system. You must understand how to calculate this process also work. This is the simple mathematics. I hope you will learn your 7th grade. Okay, this calculation part. The same calculation part we are applying into our computer mathematics. It's very simple. Okay, so after that, if you want to reduce the price, click delete here. It will be reduced here. To all the things are reduced. We are resetted. All the things are gone. Right. So let me see how to do this project step by step. Let's see. Go to our project. Okay, VS Code editor I have downloaded and installed. This one we know need how to install the VS Code editor. This all the stuff are very simple. After install the VS Code, you will be able to see the view like this. You just go right click new project, new file. You have to give the name as index.php. Double click. So here, this is your simple code. These all are Bootstrap and jQuery libraries. We are copy from the internet. So here you just go to the Bootstrap, respect your Bootstrap website. This is a free plugin. So here you just get started. Here I just copy this one. You just copy and paste over here, right? The same stuff I did here. The JS file also just copy and paste inside the body, head body. Okay. This is the jQuery part. jQuery part I am going to copy from the here. JS file, jQuery, here W3 school, jQuery, plugin, jQuery, CDN. This is CDN. We get from here. Here, this one I just copy and paste it. Right? This is how we have to apply the plugins. Okay, this all the libraries we needed for in order to run this project. Okay, jQuery. With PHP, this one. Okay, so then only it will be work. Okay, after that, what I did here is I have done the simple code. This all of Bootstrap heading. We have wrote heading for the vehicle shop. This one. So you have write a nav bar. You have write a nav bar look like this. This is a nav bar. This is the heading vehicle shop inventory. Okay, if you make any changes, you will be able to make here. Don't worry. This is all the source code I provide in my website. You don't worry about that. You first understand how this project work, how the code is work. That is very must for you all to learn PHP with jQuery for doing your university or college project. This all the projects are very important stuff. Okay. Here this is simple code. This is the heading. After that we have to create the div class row. Inside the class we have separate the div. Div SM5 means this is the 5. After that, what I did here is, after that I created another div 4, div 2. So here this is the div 4, this is div 2. Okay, we have separated, we divided by 3 div, right? This all the basic bootstrap. Okay, I hope you have learned how to divide it. Okay, I don't have to. I don't want to explain. Okay, much. Okay. So after that, I am going putting the container. It's a container I have designed like this. The heading. Okay, list. This all are coming from the bootstrap. Okay. So here item. This is the item heading. After inside here we have to write the simple user interface. Here you have to write the background style. So you have to write panel background black like this. Okay, white. Okay, this is how you have to style it. Here you have to write the form. The color should be white. White means this all the font size, font color are white. So we have to design the 3 input fields. So first one is this is first checkbox, the petrol. After that number, this one should be the quantity we are able to enter. After that, this is the option. Okay, you will be able to select the drop down milliliter or liter. Okay, this is the same thing we have to do again as a diesel. Diesel has a 3 fields. This one checkbox, this one number input, this is a drop down. Okay, milliliter or liter. The same thing kerosene oil also we have a 3 choices, right? Input field, this is the checkbox, number and option. Okay. After that, if you check the appropriate one for your vehicle and click add button, what happens is it goes to add it into the table, right? Table we have designed like this. This is a table heading. Okay, add products, right? This is a table heading. These are the column we have consist of the table, right? Table dark we have style the table. Table heading, this is a delete. If you want to delete the item, you will be able to delete button. If you have item, price, quantity, these are the heading of these tables, right? This all the things are we have to when you check all the item, click add button. All the items should be added into the T body. Inside the T body, it will be added. Okay, I will show you later on. Don't worry about that. The third div it will be indicated as the total, right? The final total, what is if you buy more than one item, the final total should be calculated and display this total text box over here. Okay, that's the thing I have designed here. After that, we have another field called reset button. This is very important stuff. While doing the transaction, if it may be any error or something like that, otherwise if the transaction is over, you have a button called reset. Reset, if you click on the reset, all the form should be clear and you will be able to add the new customer's transaction. Okay, that's the things we have to apply for the reset button. Okay, after that we have to write the jQuery part. Let me discuss about the jQuery. This is jQuery pattern. Before add these things, okay, if you have worked with the jQuery, you must add this plugin. Okay, otherwise it won't work jQuery. This all the jQuery validation are coming from this plugin. Okay, right. So you have to write script JavaScript. After that you have to create a variable total price. Okay. So now here we have to click the add button. Okay, here. Okay, this is the OK. You have click the OK button. OK button as a one on-click method add. If you have click OK button, it goes to the add button. Where the add buttons are there? Inside the jQuery, here function add. Inside that we have to write input field pos equal check. What is the meaning of this one is we have to commonly take the name. Okay. Here petrol, this is the name pos. Okay, so here the same name, diesel also pos. Here also pos, right? In jQuery, it will be intelligent to understand which one you will be selected. Okay. The jQuery will be intelligent to understand it is easily. If you are click pos, this is the name of the checkbox. If you are click the what is the things you are click, it is easy to intelligent to understand the jQuery. You no need to type each and every checkbox name. We no need to select. We only put the common name. It is understand. jQuery will be intelligent to understand which checkbox your user has choose. Okay, it's very simple. After that, we have to create the variable let check. Here will be check. Okay, so if the user check on the petrol means this one. What happens is with check petrol, the user get a petrol, here's a petrol, this name you have to apply, this is a petrol, okay, this is petrol, is a petrol. So the user click petrol, what happens is, I just put the price as 300. If the user selected diesel, this is the price, kerosene oil, this is the price. I just put the price, some price, dummy price I have just put. After that we have to create the variable var cal amount, this is the amount we have calculated. After that quantity also we have to do the same stuff. Okay. In jQuery it is intelligent to understand which quantity you are selected. Whether you are selected this quantity, this quantity or this quantity, it is easy to intelligent to understand jQuery if you are put like this. Okay. Crosses tr find, this is the name quantity. Normally we are here. You will be see here all are we have to put a common name. This quantity also quantity, this name also quantity, this quantity. Okay, you don't worry about it. It is easy to it is intelligent to understand jQuery. What is the quantity you are giving here? Okay, which quantity checkbox you are selected, right, in jQuery. If you are write like this, the same thing you have to write as a select the drop down as well. Which drop down you are selected, this also I have to given. This also jQuery is intelligent to understand. After that you have to write this what is the quantity milliliter or milliliter option you are selected. It put into this variable. This variable observe which one you are selected. 201. 201 mean, what is the meaning of this one? This is a 201. If the user select as milliliter, the value will be 1. If the user select as liter, the value will be 2. Right? This is the meaning of this. Okay. So if it is 2, do this process. If it is 1, do this process. Okay. So if it is 2 mean, what happen? This is a 2. 2 means a liter calculation. So 2 means a liter calculation, 1 mean milliliter calculation. Liter mean, what is the quantity you entered here? Simply it will be quantity into price, it will be calculated and put into this variable. If you are calling here, it's total. Okay, total should be, so we don't need this one. Total should be, we have to finally we have to call it here. Okay, right. Okay. Call total will be display. After that here, if you are notice that calculate if 1 mean, what happen if you are select as milliliter, we have another calculation part. You have to write pass fault quantity here 1000. 1000 mean, why we are divide by 1000 mean 1000 milliliter equal into 1 liter. So if you are select as milliliter, 500 milliliter, we have divide by 1000 into what is the price of the product. Okay, this is how the milliliter works, right? If you are not understand this, I have to comment like this. This is the liter calculation. Okay, the liter calculation. This is the milliliter calculation, ml calculation. Okay, you can understand the process. This is simple mathematics. Okay, this is not a programming. Okay, this is the mathematics. You have to understand the mathematics, how the mathematics will be work. Okay. After that, we have to do the, after done the stuff, we have to check all the stuff. What's the process? If you are giving the petrol 2 liter, what happen? Select the liter, click OK. It will be added into the table. So check mean, this is a check. What is you are selected? What is the product you are selected? Price mean, what is the product you are selected? That appropriate product price should be displayed over here. What is the quantity you are selected on the quantity text field? It will be coming here. After that, we have to write calculate fix 2 mean, it will be calculated as a pointing values 2. Okay, pointing values 2 mean this is the pointing value 2. Remaining these 2 values. Okay, this is how we have essential way to calculate the values you are using like this. You have to write like this. It's a very essential way. When you are about when you are dealing with the intelligent industrial project, you have to write like this. Then only the company will be easily recognized you are the good program. Okay. After that, you already created the variable total above. Get the total variable here. Number tot. What is the value you are added? Keep on here. One by one, this total will be calculated and displayed here. Here, if you are calculate here, it will be unchecked second time. You calculate as 3 liter. Here, to calculate and display over here. Okay. This is how we have to calculate. All things added. Finally, it will be append into the append. If you are calling to here append, what happens is the item, this is the table name, t body means here tbl item is a table name. Inside the t body we have to append mean inside the t body here append, delete this, all the stuff are there, it append. If you are calling like this, it will be append. This is how the jQuery work. Okay, this append method work. After that we have to write the delete method. If you want to delete the record, if you click on this one, it will be deleted. So here we have to write the code. You have to get the last, this 10, you have to delete this one. It's minus it will delete that, and total will be passing here. This is remove. Okay. After reset, this is a function. When you click on the reset button, it goes to here. What happens is this reset location.reload mean entire form will be reloaded, it will be resetted. This is the part, this is the things it will be indicate, right? This function will be indicate, that is the part. Okay, all the form should be reloaded and reset. That is the operation does by this method. Okay, you must understand how the jQuery work, how to work this into inventory management system. I hope you understood these things well. If you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.